Hey everyone, Ashik from Phone Transformer. Today, I'm going to show you how to lock Safesearch on an iPhone to keep your browsing safe and secure. Now, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. If you haven't already, tap Turn on Screen Time, then tap Continue and select This is my iPhone. Now, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions and toggle the switch to turn it on. Tap Content Restrictions, then tap on App Store, Web and Games. After that, tap on Web Content. Select Limit Adult Websites to enable safe search-like filtering. For more control, scroll down and block specific websites by tap on Add Website on the Never Allow section, and enter your website address. You want to block or allow only certain ones. To lock these settings, tap back and set a screen time passcode if you haven't already. This passcode will keep the safe search and web restrictions locked and secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more easy tech tips.